The Pouwhenua Project is a call that's come from the Ngāi Tahu whānui plus Turunanga, asking the structure with all the buildings that we're building, all the subdivisions, to put up a Pouwhenua to identify it as being part of Ngāi Tahu, and I think it's important.
The project is a wonderful project to be involved in. We need to consult widely with our runanga and our tribe, and the feedback we've had from everybody about what we're attempting to do with these wonderful projects has just been so uplifting and so encouraging.
Well, it gives us a wonderful closeness with our shareholder. When you're charged with making money for the iwi, you can get removed, and it's more than that. You become part of this family business we work for, so you get a closer association with what the family's thinking and where they're at. The other thing too is you learn a lot about the history of the island that we live in.
This is a classic example of Haki Te Kura undertaking the feat that she took to swim the lake and then light the fire on the other side. But of course, when she swam, she carried her fire with her, wrapped up in a bundle of harakeke. And harakeke, me being a weaver, and harakeke is probably the most prominent fibre that I work with. And out of that comes a lot of design and a lot of ideas. And so from that time of Haki Te Kura down to today, we are weaving with the same fibres.
We need to be able to put our footprint back on the land so that everyone sees, and I totally support it.